Who doesn't want to learn how to handstand? It's a fun and accessible skill that's well worth your time training. That being said, it's not always as simple as it should be.
There's a couple of main reasons I see that people are training their handstand and not making the progress they want. And that's very simply that they're not training all aspects of it. They either spend their time randomly kicking up in the middle, not achieving much, or they spend their time just glued to the wall, afraid to balance. The three aspects of handstand are entry, balance, and body shape. The reason the prior two examples didn't make progress is they're only training one aspect. The person just kicking up in the middle trying to balance is only really training their entry. They're not getting much time balancing. The person glued to the wall is really only training balancing. They're not getting much time on how to enter the handstand or their body shape. When we combine all of those three aspects, that is what creates our handstand. So very simply, we need to make sure that we're training all of them in some capacity. And this is where I like to have my pyramid of handstand training. The foundation of that is balance. Balance makes up our base, followed by entry, and then finally body shape. Let me explain that a little bit more. Balance is definitely our base because it is what the handstand is. If we can't spend time in the handstand, it's not much point working on how to get into it or the shape that our body is in during, because we can't hold it. And this is the one thing that the wall person has right. They're going to get lots of time trying to balance their handstand. If you can't balance a handstand, you need to be on the wall, working and building up time in that position. That is the biggest challenge when it comes to training handstand, is getting enough time. Really, I think getting 5 to 10 seconds of balance in a chest to wall position is essential before really bothering to work towards a freestanding handstand hold. Entry is the next point that I would look at once you feel a little bit more comfortable and not scared of trying to hold and balance a handstand. That fear aspect is an important component because ultimately, when we're trying to learn how to handstand, there's going to be a lot of failing and bailing happening when we try to go freestanding. Without this understanding of how to bail, your freestanding progress will suffer. Now, there's a lot of depth to both of these balance and entry components, and rather than sticking it in this video, I'll instead link to a few other videos that I've got covering the topic of 1, how to balance your handstand and use the wall correctly, 2, how to practice your entry correctly, and number 3, how to bail from handstand. So I've got you covered on all bases. Finally comes body shape. And this really is all about how do we look and what is our body doing whilst we're balancing the handstand. And most people are really keen on that nice, beautiful, straight line, which ultimately should be a goal to get towards. But in my opinion, people focus on this far too early and forget about the main thing, which is balancing the handstand. Ultimately, if you're holding your body weight in balance on 2 arms, you're doing a handstand. It doesn't matter if it's banana or if it's straight. You can then begin that never-ending process of refining the handstand and improving it to whichever point you want to take it, whether that's press to handstand, whether that's shapes, whether that's even one-arm handstand. Again, I've got a couple of videos which kind of go into these things in more detail, and I'll link to those ones in the description down below as well. And that's basically it. That's my simple steps for learning how to handstand. I gotta put it down. Simply focus on training the things that matter, build up time, and be consistent. Good things will happen. As I mentioned, links to videos in the description down below will give you more information on those crucial components. I'd love to hear how you got on with this one, and if you found this video useful, let me know in the comments down below on how you're getting on with your handstand journey. Obviously, if it was helpful to you, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, support the channel, subscribe if you want to join the Bodyweight Warrior Tribe, don't miss out on any more future videos. But other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Have a strong week. Peace.